Just figured out that there's a new fidget hut in town, so let's go to it. Here it is. So where do I sign in? Oh, over here. Name. Well, let's go ahead and put in my name. There we go. My name. One or more. What do they mean? Oh, I think they mean fidgets. One. Okay. I think that's all for right now. So, let's wait a little bit. I just got to know, apparently we have to sleep, and tomorrow we'll get our surprise. So, let's go. Huh? Oh, morning already? Hi, cat. Apparently there's a cat here. They said that there's supposed to be a surprise behind my door. Well, let's go. Oh, it's a fidget box. Apparently, oh yeah, I forgot. We can also go hunting for fidgets. I heard it's only 5 minutes away, and I'm kind of hungry for breakfast. So let's go eat. This cupcake is delicious. Oh, it's time. I gotta go get ready to go hunting for fidgets. Here we go. Okay, they said that they're ready for the fidget hunt. Got my bag. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. A French fry dimple and an ice cream. Wait, what's that? A dog squishy? Awesome. Let's see if there's anything else here. Whoa, what's this? A cat neato. Cool. All right. Huh? Ooh, what are you? A spinner dimple? Sweet. A water snake? They're not very good at hiding these, are they? Oh, a water snake. Whoa. These things are fun. I caught it. Alright. We'll put that in there too. Ugh. Huh? Wait. What's that? There's something over there. Well, it might not be anything, but I at least want to go check. Ooh. An avocado dimple. Wait, there's another one. And this one's blue and pink. And this one's green and another green with an orange bobble. Ugh. Let's see, anything else? Ooh, I found one. Set that right there. An egg. I like eggs. Alright, we'll put you in there too. Huh? Ooh, I found one. Sweet. This is cool. Let's go. Ooh, I found one. Another spinner. Time's about up. Oh, wait. There's one more I need to find. It was hiding. Ooh. It's a pop ball with little stamps. Well, that looks like all. Ooh, time's up. Well, I gotta go bring these home. Ooh, it's time to go shopping for fidgets. I get a little bag since it's my first day. Ooh, look at all of them. Ooh, once you're done, you get to pick out a sticker. Look at the kitties. These are adorable. Wait, huh? More stickers just fell in. Thanks! Well, these are all of the stickers. Let's close this. Well, let's go ahead and go shopping. Ooh, a Pop-It bracelet. This is cool. I'm gonna buy that. But where's my credit card? Oh yeah, I forgot. I also have another gift outside my door. Oh great, my Fidget card came in. Alright, let's see how much money I have. $20 and I can only buy 5. QR code, have fun. Alright, time to go. That's one Fidget. Pop tubes. What's over here? Squishy. A pink, pretty squishy. 2 little jiggly guys. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, this one looks nice. I'll get this one. And, ooh, pretty. And this one. And I'll leave these 4 for somebody else. No, I can't go to sleep. Huh? Huh? What's this? A free Pop-It, I guess. What's today? Oh, today! Today is where I have to get a new job. Well, let's go. I guess this is where I work now, organizing fidgets. Hello, you'll have to organize fidgets. I am the person helping you. Okay. Put them wherever you want, but you have to remember where you put them. You also have to wear hand sanitizer before you mess with anything. Okay. Go. Okay, looks like I have to do stuff, so let me just get this right here, and we'll put this right here. This adorable little marble mash. Aren't you gonna turn on the lights so I can see? Oh yeah. Much better. Anyway, a Pop-It bracelet. We'll just put this one right here. We have 2 Pop-It. Okay, we'll put these right here too. But where to put this? Ooh, I can put them up here. Right there. What's this? Oh, it's a cute little sparkly bear Pop-It. I'll just keep this up here. And this one, ooh, a nice, beautiful rainbow Pop-It butterfly. It's very pretty. The turtle with the alphabet on it. What's next? Ooh, another Pop-It ball. Really nice. What's next? What's next? Ooh, I have to organize this because this is just a mess. Let's organize these first. Whoa, it fell. See, that's why we had to organize. I'll put the 2 orange ones over here. And these 2 rainbow ones will go right beside it. There we go. Perfect. Huh? Apparently we have slinkies. Let's move these and we'll move this one and we'll move it down there and we'll put the slinkies up here. There we go. Look at you. You're so nice. cute little happy one. Well, I did throw things in here last time, so I better fix it. Let's see. Let's go ahead and grab this. Oh, how cute. Nice. So I can just put this with the other one, and I'll just leave these up here. These are nice up here, but I had to reorganize this. So let's get started. Perfect, all done. Let's just organize some more things and I'll be done. And last snow globe. And done. It's beautiful. Oh, I didn't know that we had these little guys. Cute little monkey noodles. They're textured. Oh, it's the end of my shift. I better go. I guess now I just have to go on my daily walk. Let's bring a poppet. Or a fidget of some sort. Ooh, nice. But no. This one has a cute little string. I can carry it around with me. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, it's time for me to go to the movie theater. Guess I better do that. A nice little cooking show. It's a nice cooking show. It teaches you how to cook things. But, I mean, it could be better. The movie's finally over. Alright, time to head home. Well, I guess I can just clap to make the lights go off. Perfect. Now, let's just head off to bed. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all have a great night. Bye.